Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos. So if you like to watch shopping and surprise clothing unboxings and things like that, then please subscribe below. For returning viewers, thank you guys so much for coming back, for your support, for your comments, all that jazz. Today I am wearing a shirt from Walmart with a little reindeer on it. It is not quite Thanksgiving yet, but I am so in the Christmas spirit. And my husband has to keep reminding me, it's not Christmas yet. Let's wait till after Thanksgiving to fully embrace the Christmas time. But I can't wait. I'm just so excited. I love Christmas. I love Christmas time, the season. It's the best. Anyways, enough about that. I have a new box today, and it is Wantable. New to me, not new to the world. There's tons of Wantable unboxing videos out there. It's just not a box I have tried yet. When I first started this video, I wanted to try all the boxes at some point, but I found it's actually quite difficult for me to stop subscriptions because I keep thinking I might be missing out on something if I stop it, and I keep going forever and ever, and then I can't afford to get all the boxes at once. But I'm slowly trying to turn off some of the other boxes and so I can start some new ones and try them out, and then someday I will know exactly which boxes I want to get and which ones I don't want to get. But here we go. So if you're not familiar with Wantable, I'll talk while I'm opening this box up. If you're not familiar, it's similar to Stitch Fix, except they do send you 7 items. You have 5 days to decide which you want to keep. Again, it's a $20 styling fee that you apply to anything you want to keep. 20% off if you keep 5 or more items. Now, since they send you 7 items, you do have a better chance of reaching 5 or more, so I do appreciate that. They do have on their site kind of what is called the stream, where it's a whole bunch of options that fit within your style quiz, and you can request it or decline it or just let it sit. So I did put in a request for a few items, but I find that since they put prices with everything, I just always decide everything's too expensive and I request very little. So I don't know. I still haven't fully embraced the price of items through these style boxes. There's still a very cheap side of me that I have not embraced. Okay, so there's paperwork in here. I don't know what's in here. I'm assuming, I think there's an envelope and probably a stylish note or something like that, but we'll get to that once we open up the items, because come on, I want to get to opening up the items. Alright, so it's a beautifully tissue papered bundle, and we'll show you this side, and a lot of dark colors, little cream up here. I don't know, let's dig into it. I'm excited. I'm almost out of batteries, so I might not be able to get through all this in one morning, but we shall see. Okay, this is by Swan, and this is a sweater. It has a little bit of a bell sleeve there at the end. It is kind of open knit. I have no idea what to call this, but you know, kind of a lot of open area, so you would need to wear something underneath it, but it is a beautiful sweater. I'm not a bell sleeve person at all, but it's not a big one, so I might be able to accept that if the price is right. I always say that, but again, my cheap side comes out. Next up, we have a blouse, a somewhat sheer blouse, not super sheer, but I'm not a big blouse person. So, but it has polka dots. It is a faux wrap here in the front. Kind of has that faux tuck here at the bottom of the front and a little bit longer in the back, along with some striping detail around the collar and seams. Okay, I like that all right. We'll see what that looks like on. Next, ooh, this looks like maybe a blazer. Yes, we have a blazer, and it is a shade of purple that I don't know what to call it. Has some shoulder pads, no buttons in the front, which I do enjoy. Just a good looking blazer, so can't wait to try that on. And this is by Wantable. Forgot to mention, this blouse here is also by Wantable. Next, we have, I do like that it is 7 items because it's just exciting to keep opening things up. Okay, we have another blouse, but this is actually like a really long blouse, almost like a cardigan blouse, I would say. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a cardigan blouse. So it's got the tie there in the front, ruffling at the bottom. Again, kind of a ruffle at the end of the sleeve. So we will see what that looks like on. And then, ooh, this feels like, almost like rain jacket material. This jacket is by Tart Collections, and it is a camo jacket. I think I had one pinned on my Pinterest. Looks like actually like a 3/4 sleeve, or less. I just have short arms, but I think this is a 3/4 sleeve, kind of a gathered, elastic gathered waist here. This buttoning to cover over the zipper going down the front. So interesting. This is a very interesting jacket. We'll see how that looks. I love jackets, so I'm excited and hopeful. Then we have a pair of black pants here cut from the cloth. They are just kind of your standard straight leg dress pant, so hopefully that will fit. And then from Olive and Oak, we have a black sweater. It is V-neck. I guess the main detail here is it does have a seam down the middle. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, so I think you can. Again, kind of the style right now has the slits on the side. So I have been looking for a black sweater, so I am very hopeful that will work out. Let's go ahead and glance at the paperwork in case there is a stylist note in here. So it does look like the mailer for me is USPS, which is good because I just stick it out in my mailbox here. Then we have the prices that I'm not looking at, but oh, there is a note. All I asked for was cute warm weather styles, that I love sweaters and outerwear, both business casual and casual. And so my stylist, who is Kaylin, she said, "Hi Jennifer, welcome to your first style edit. We are excited to help you build a fresh wardrobe that fits your unique preferences. I pulled some inspiration from your Pinterest board. I noticed you had a camo jacket on there, so I included one for you. I also saw a lot of blazers on your Pinterest. The blazer is a wardrobe staple. You can wear it to work for a sleek business look with a beautiful blouse under, or you can wear a simple tee under and jeans for a casual chic outfit. Take the next 5 days to choose what you love and send back the rest to us. Keep 5 or more items and receive 20% off your entire purchase. I look forward to hearing your feedback about styles and sizing. Enjoy, Kaylin, Stylist." So again, we won't look at the prices yet, so let's get to the try on. Okay, first up we have the blouse and the dress pants. So starting with the blouse, I'll say the sleeves are a little bit more of balloon sleeves than I care for. I prefer something a little bit more fitted, and something more fitted would fit better under, you know, other blazers. But as far as size this way, this is actually one of the better fitting blouses that I've tried. So I like it. If it had different sleeves, I would maybe consider it, but the sleeves kind of make it go eh for me. And then we have these dress pants, and they are perfect length. They are a perfect length, and I really like them. They fit really well. So these will just be a matter of the price is right, but the feel of them is great. They fit great, so we'll see. Hopefully these don't cost too much. So let's go to the next piece. The blazer is the next piece. I just threw it over a t-shirt, and I really like it. I think it fits really well, and it is the type of material that is really great for scrunching up, which I love being able to do with a blazer. So I really like that. My only issue is I think I have a blazer that I got from Charlotte Russe that is very close to this color. I'll hold it up when I do the recap. So that might be the only thing of, do I actually need this? But without thinking about that, I love it. So, okay, let's go to the next piece. Okay, so we have this kind of cream color-ish sweater here. Again, this part is my least favorite. It's also a little bit long, so I'd be kind of concerned about this dragging in some stuff. But I do like this sweater. I think it is cute. Overall, you know, I'd say the arms are pretty baggy on me. the rest of it fits well. So it actually fits better than, again, a lot of the other sweaters that I've put on. But I think this is going to probably end up being a deal breaker unless this sweater is really affordable. So, I don't know. That's what it looks like in the back. Let's go to the next piece. Okay, I put two of the pieces on, the black sweater and the coat, and the theme of both of these are both going to be too big. I feel like my channel would be so much better if clothes actually fit me, but unless I'm doing my own shopping hauls, I do find that almost like 2/3 of the clothes that I get are too big on me. It's just, that's how women's extra small is for me. Before this, I frequently shopped in the junior section because that fits me better, and even with my shopping hauls, I do tend to shop someplace where they are closer to junior sizes because I like my clothes to fit. I do not love looking like a little child in her mom's coat. So, that brings me to, I look like a little child in my mom's coat. No, it's not terrible. It's just definitely too big. Alright, let me zip it up here. Okay, so it does have the cinching on it. There's no way to make it tighter, but I just feel like overall it's just a little bit too baggy for my taste. I like it. It's got lots of cool zippers on it. Like I said, it's kind of a raincoat material, which is different than any other coats that I have. Does it have a hood? No, no hood on it. But I really like the jacket, and if it was a perfect fit, that might have been something interesting. I did note that one sleeve came rolled up and one didn't. So when I thought it was like a 3/4 sleeve, that's because I was looking at the rolled up sleeve. But if I don't roll up the sleeves, then it is quite long on me there as well. Okay, so obviously this jacket's not happening. You now know what it looks like if you are interested in it for yourself. I like the sweater. I like the seam down the middle. That's an interesting detail. I like the split in it. I like these sweaters that are slightly longer in the back. I think that's a cute detail. It's just still a little bit too big on me. So this will not be a keeper as well. All right, the last piece is, I called it like a long cardigan thing. No, it's a dress. So let's get that on. Okay, so this dress I actually left my jeans on with because this part here goes up quite high. So this is actually a dress that is way too short for me and way too easy. I mean, it's a wrap dress. It's a real wrap dress. So there's just a lot of risk involved in this dress. I would consider keeping it to wear with maybe leggings or something if it was more my style. It does have kind of this ruffle here. I just, honestly, with kind of the ruffle down here and the ruffle up here, it's not my style. I'm not really into kind of the romantic ruffle look. I'm more of a plain, boring, classic style. So I don't really have anything negative to say about this dress, other than it being too short, and then just, it's not my style. Nothing against the dress, because I think it's a nice dress. It's a really nice dress. I could see my sister loving this. In fact, maybe this should be a Christmas present for her. Now let's go over prices and do the recap of everything. Okay guys, it is now time to go over the prices, and I did take a quick sneak peek here, and this is an expensive box for me. So they sent me 5 items, which I think is what Wantable always sends. I guess I forgot to say that in the intro. So let's start at the top and go through the price and what I think about it. This is the long sleeve high-low blouse in black/cream and extra small by Wantable. $68. I liked it, didn't love it, not going to keep it. This is the open front blazer by Wantable, and it is $89. Ugh. I like it. I liked it a lot. I liked it a lot. I was wondering, is it too close to this one that I got from Charlotte Russe? So the one I got from Charlotte Russe is a much shorter blazer, definitely in the back as well. But they're similar color tones, not exactly. And this one's definitely a longer blazer. Are they too similar? Do I need these both? I don't know. but I really like it. So I am considering that, but we shall see. This sweater is the Victorious sweater in white cap, extra small by Black Swan, $82. I liked it, didn't love it again, not going to keep. Then we have the jacket. This is the Corie jacket in gray camo by Tart Collections, and it is $88. It's too big on me. I looked like a little girl in that, not keeping. Then we have the wrap dress, again, pretty, but didn't love it. It is $80. This is the Kaia wrap dress in carbon by Black Swan. Again, $80, not going to keep that. The dress pants by Cut From The Cloth. This is the Emilia flat front pocket dress pant, and it is $88. That's pretty standard for Cut From The Cloth. This is a maybe, so I'll kind of go through that here at the end. And then this is the Abel sweater in black by Olive and Oak, and this is $68. I'm not going to keep that, it was too big. The total for the entire box is $563 minus the 25% off, which will take off $112, and minus the styling fee, which will, they accidentally messed up on the total and they added those numbers, so it says $655, but it's not that expensive. So let's see, $431, I think, is the total of the box when you take off the discount and styling fee, so that is an expensive box. I did not expect my Wantable to be this expensive. I had a lot of fun with this box. I like some of the stuff that they sent me, but I hope it's not always this expensive. I do want to keep one thing at least, get my $20 back, which would be nice. And I had a couple pieces I liked. It's the blazer and the dress pants. I don't think I'm going to keep them both because that's like $160, $170 for two things. No thank you. So what's your guys' opinion? Which one should I keep? I extended my checkout so I could get people's opinions on what to keep. So please in the comments below, let me know what you guys think. But I am definitely torn between these two pieces. So I don't know. If you guys are interested in trying Wantable, then there is a link below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Again, if you're not subscribed, then please subscribe below. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I would greatly appreciate it. And thank you guys for watching. We'll hopefully see you the next time. Okay, bye.